Hi, my name is Danielle Rodriguez, and I'm the Service Director here at Audi Nashua. I'd like to take a moment today to walk you through your service journey when you visit, and how we strive to make that experience as enjoyable and convenient as possible. We offer multiple options for scheduling an appointment. You can easily make an appointment online, over the phone, or in person with one of our friendly service representatives. When you arrive at our facility, you will be greeted by our welcoming team of Audi valets and service advisors. Our service advisors will document your vehicle's maintenance needs and any other concerns you may be having. We offer courtesy loaner vehicles and other transportation options to help minimize any inconvenience to you during your visit with us. If you choose to wait here at Audi Nashua, please enjoy our guest lounge and cafe. Equipped with high-speed Wi-Fi, you can stay connected while we take care of your vehicle. Enjoy a cup of coffee, tea, water, or your favorite snack while you wait. Your vehicle will be inspected and evaluated by our factory-trained and certified Audi technicians. Once the inspection is complete, you will receive a video and full report from our technicians outlining the condition of your vehicle and any recommended repairs. When your vehicle service is complete, we will provide a complimentary car wash and vacuum. At Audi Nashua, we understand that every new Audi innovation comes with new service information. This means our service technicians are always prepared with the latest bulletins, information, tools, and training. We use only Audi genuine parts which deliver the performance, reliability, and safety you expect. At Audi Nashua, we care about you and your Audi. So call us today or book an appointment online. We look forward to providing you an exceptional Audi experience.